Hi, welcome to our restaurant management system. The journey starts at the pause screen from the portal section. Here, staff can quickly select food categories like salad, chow mein, burgers, etc. And customers' dine-in orders can be placed within just a few clicks. For example, if we select double cheeseburger, then a cheeseburger, each items are displayed clearly, making order management seamless. We can also search by categories, like if we input salad, also we can search by items, and we can select the dine-in system from here. We can also select customers from here. If we have walk-in customers, then we can select walk-in customers, or any new customers can be added from here. Then again, we can easily select the tables the customer is waiting for the food. We have also the subtotal, VAT and tax calculation, which is shown here real time, including the discount option over here, which can be used as discount percentage or any fixed amount. Next, we head to the sales dashboard. From portals, if we go to the sales, here every order is tracked with detailed breakdowns like item cost, VAT, tax, discount, and final total. The order status is visible. In this case, it's processing, ensuring the staff knows exactly what stage the order is in. This screen helps managers and cashiers stay on top of active and completed sales. Also, this shows customer type, table number, date of order, and full cost breakdown and its status. Finally, the kitchen staff views the order in real time through the kitchen display system. For that, we have to go to the portals again and then the kitchen. As soon as the order is placed, it appears here with a unique order number and current status. Kitchen teams see exactly what to prepare, improving their speed and reducing mistakes. Kitchen display features real-time order synchronization, the status like progress, processing, or completed, easy identification by order ID and table number. Then let's continue with the food menu. Here, if we go to the categories, we can see all the categories that has been offering from the restaurant. We can add new categories with an image. We can edit the existing categories. Also, we can search for different categories from here. Moving on to the food items. Here we can add single food items from this form. We can select the category, we can enter the name with a description and image. We can also select ingredients that will be used to make this food. We can also select allergens to avoid any allergic reaction to our customers. If we go to the modifiers, here we can see the extra modifiers for the food items. From here we can add a new food item modifier. We can select from here the ingredients, then we can add a pricing for the modifier. We can add a name and just click add the new modifier in the system. Next, there is ingredients. From here we can check and add new ingredients that will be necessary to prepare our foods. Here we can check the name, cost of the ingredient, unit for per and each and every ingredient, available ingredients in the restaurant, which we can also edit from here. We can also add a new ingredient to the list. Then again, there is allergens list. We can add new allergens list. We can edit the allergens list. This allergen We will add these allergens in the food items so that the customer knows if he had any allergic reaction with these items or not. On to the expense list. Here there are some expense types which we can add new expense type. We can also edit the expense type. We can check, edit, and add new expenses for the restaurant from here. We can add new expenses using the type we have created previously. We have report section over here. There are 3 reports currently listed in the system, which is stock alert. If your ingredient stock is low, then you can see the ingredients in this list. We have item sales report, where we can filter from date to date. We can filter if the delivery is dine-in pickup or is it home delivery. We can search by item name, and if we apply, all the report will be listed down here. We also have a revenue report that will show the total amount of sales, total amount of cost, total amount of discounts, total tax amount, and total profit amount in BDT. We will also see a total list over here in this table if we select the correct date range and apply. We have the people section over here where there is customers list. We can add new customers from here as well. We can add users to this system. We can do role-based user module, whether the user is an admin or a manager or an employee. We can define it from here and we can add it later in the system. Then if we go to the advanced section, we will have the service tables list. Here we can add tables to the system as per the restaurant requires. We have data import and export option to import or export any existing data from the system or into the system. Then we have the settings to synchronize all the data with the database. Thank you.